Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of What the Chart Says for today, Wednesday, the 8th of July 2020. We'll be looking at the data coming from the Nigeria Stock Exchange. Let's kick off right now. Looking at the agenda, we'll look at the summary of the data coming from the floor of the Nigeria Stock Exchange. Then we review our charts. The all share index. Then we go to the sectors to review the charts for the sectors and see what is going on. We pick one or two stocks to review them as well before we close the program today. Let's look at the summary. Today market gained 0.75%. That's a good one for the market, closing at 24,278, adding over 252 index points. Great. The deal today, we have lower deal compared to when we were declining. We have about 3,500 plus of deal, but however the total value increased tremendously with over 4.7 billion naira. Market sentiment is positive today with 25 stocks that advanced, while only 8 decline. That's a good one for the market sentiment. That was a big jump. That's a big jump compared to yesterday and Monday. Talking about the market sentiment, this is the chart of the Nigeria Stock Exchange 30 capitalized companies, and what you see from the sentiment, the short term just rose above the zero line. So short term is safe, a little bit safe to start buying stocks for short term, but for medium and long term, it still shows there's some risk. So if you are buying, just know that you are buying for short term until we have the sentiment for the both the medium and the long term are as well positive. Okay, going ahead, let's look at the 5 most active stock. Fidelity coming first with over 37 million volume, followed by MTN Nigeria, WAPCO, Guarantee, and ZENITH Bank. We have 3 banks coming on the 5 most active. That's good. WAPCO, we reviewed WAPCO last week, and yes, I made mention that it's good to go. It's good to go. That support is very good. All right, let's see the 5 top gainers. WAPCO coming first again with 10% change. Julius Berger, Resta, Guarantee, and FCMB. 5 top losers. We have Berger, Caverton, ETI, Flour Mill, Ohando. Yeah, what's going on with ETI? It's good to look at it. Yeah, Flour Mill potentially can still decline. Ohando, oil and gas. Okay, 5 most volatile. Berger, Shams, WAPCO, Caverton, and Julius Berger. Those are the 5 most active volatile stocks today. For 52-week high, no stock come on the list today. For 52-week low, we have Caverton continue to decline. Once a very good start, yeah, creating opportunity. Okay, let's see other markets all around the world. New York Stock Exchange are just closed now. Again, 0.8%. Most of the European stocks fell today. I think there was a negative sentiment across the the world early today before US pick it up. Then South Africa positive with 1.25% increase. Egypt 30 also coming positive with 0.7%. All right, let's kick off. Let's see our chart to see what the chart say for the Nigeria Stock Exchange or share index. Yeah, this is the chart for the whole share index. So far, the month is showing decision. Let's go to the week. In terms of the week, yeah, the week is yet to end, but for now, it's showing reversal. That's rejection going on at the support level here. At the support at 24,278. Great. Let's see the volume for the week so far. For the week so far, the volume is not showing. Don't know why the volume is not showing here. Let's go to the daily then. Daily is looking interesting. Yesterday we have some bulls coming in. We have some bulls coming in, and today the bulls continue to push the index up. So what do we have now? We'll be looking at resistance level at this point, but I don't think that's strong enough. Personally, what I'm bothered about is that point. That's 24,754. So if the index can rise above, let's see, rise above this level, then any pullback with a rejection will be good to go. However, if the index rise up, rally up, and there's a pullback and there is no rejection, you can continue down to visit lower support level, or to visit this particular level before going up again, creating double bottom, or it can come lower down. So that is the risk of the short trade. However, it's still good to go. The bull today is very hard, so market can continue going up for some time. But where we have the bears waiting for the index is at about 24,800. So those are the level we need to watch out for. Okay, that's for the daily. Let's see the volume for the today. Not bad. The volume is far better than the last 5 days. Not bad. Yeah, that's a good volume. Okay, let's see the sectors. Before we see individual sector, let's see the sectors combined. This is Financial Times website. Our share index. That's the green. And we have on top, above zero line, we have the insurance and the industrial sectors that are above the market. Below the market, the banking. There's the banking sector. Oil and gas is also below the market. While which one is this again? That is consumer goods. Consumer goods has been declining, creating lower lows. Now look at what's going on with the bank. This is the high. This is a high. You just move above a high. Then this is the level banking sector will be targeting now. So we look at the individual sector later, but in terms of combining the most active index so far from the beginning of the year, the industrial and insurance, while oil and gas, banking, and consumer goods are lagging behind the market. Okay, let's see individual sectors and see what is going on with the sectors. Let's start with insurance. Insurance. What happened? Is it today? Yeah, that's it today. It declined, but rose a little bit above the close of yesterday. Uh, let's see. Let's see. Let me see the week. The week. Is it at the good support level? Is it at the good support level? Yeah. Yeah, not bad, but the week is here to end. But I'll be looking towards this 122 anyway. But in terms of the daily short time, um, it gap down, open at 124.28. That's not a good one, but the good thing is a rally up and close up a little bit above the close of yesterday, which is positive. But my concern is the gap down. Let's see the volume. The volume should be high for it to go down to go rally up again. Yeah, not bad. That's a good volume. That's a good volume. This level might be something. Yeah, that's what happened today. But that's a single day data. But in terms of if I have to, I'm looking for good support. I'll be looking for the data to come down a little bit for the sector. Insurance most likely is still coming down a little bit, but if it's not coming down, it has this level to battle at 130. It has to rally above 130, then any pullback with a rejection is good to go. But for now, insurance is looking promising, but not very good, not very attractive. Not very attractive, if I may say. Insurance sector is not looking attractive, but individual stocks that are creating high highs might be good. For now, let's see the fib level, fib retracement level. At what level is that? Uh, that should be 30, between 38 and 50, 38.2 and 0.5. Yeah, I'll be looking towards 0.5 actually. Okay, let's go to another sector. Oil and gas. Oil has been declining. Oil and gas sector has been declining despite the fact that the oil price is already pulling back, going up again. Let's see. Is it a low? No, not yet. It's not creating low. That's not the right low. Okay, there's the trend. There's the current trend line. That's the current trend line on the weekly. Let's see the monthly. Okay. Oops. That's a really bad data there. Oh no, I don't enjoy the week the monthly. Okay, let's be looking at the weekly. So for now, it broke the trend line and coming back again, testing it, and it's now declining almost at the low. Almost at the low. Is any promise, any change coming up so soon for oil and gas sector? Um, it's not looking so for now. Let the weekends, then we can let's come back to the daily and see anything positive. Is it a rejection? This might be a rejection actually. This might be a rejection, but it's not very good rejection. It's no. Yeah, looks like a rejection, but a bearish rejection. I would have loved it if it's positive. If it's bullish, it closed with bull. For now, let's see the volume today. Below, but Tomorrow we determine what is going to happen to the sector, but for now it's declining and declining very fast. Okay, let's go to another sector and review that as well. This consumer goods. In terms of consumer goods, so far so bad for consumer good. On the monthly, so the monthly bears are having their ways and dragging the sector towards the bullish order candle. This is where the that's where the liquidity is starting from. But this week at 393, so it might test this level 393 or go for the liquidity. Go for the liquidity at 370 thereabouts. But for now, that's on the monthly. Month is yet to finish. You can see a lot of selling pressure since almost 3 weeks ago, but this week is yielding to the pressure of the bears. Okay, so we might see some reaction at 386. From 386, we might see some reaction from the for consumer goods. For now, it's not looking good. Today, what happened today? Today, nothing much. Nothing much. Nothing much. Monday was worse, followed by yesterday, a little bit, but today, nothing much happened. Let's see the volume. Nothing happened. Yeah, nothing much really happened. Yeah. So let's go further. What's the next sector? Banking and finance. Okay. All right. So far on the monthly, it looks like a rejection at this level. Yes, that's what I'm saying. The price tested the liquidity and it's reversing back. That makes it dash. Yeah. Okay, and it's reversing back. Let's see the weekly. On the weekly, it's looking like inside bar, but the wick is yet to hand, so it can be inside bar or bullish engulf at a very good support level. Okay, that is on the weekly. Today, what happened today? If I close this thing, I don't know what happened. Okay, what happened today? So today was very bullish, very bullish. Follow what happened yesterday and Monday, even starting from Friday. The rejection can't do that, but today is looking good. So what are we supposed to be watching? This is the level we'll be watching, 289. The price, if the sector can rally above 289, and we have a pullback or a test of that level again with a rejection, that will be a good time to go for the banking sector. For now, so far so good for banking sector, and the stocks are also following the steps, following the sector as well. Okay, that's all about the sector. We have some stocks that are most active. I think Guarantee is one of them. Why not? When the sector is very active, so the stocks also will be very active. So, yeah, as we during the analysis about a week ago, I made mention of this level to watch out for a reversal, and that's the level 20.89 on the monthly level. So Guarantee yielded to that, and it's reversing, and that's great. That's a good level. That's a good level, and market is reversing from there. Oh, that's wonderful for Guarantee. And we have UACN also being active. We analyzed this as well last weekend, and so far so good. The last 3 days has been rejection, but it didn't go to the level I really want. Okay, this, yeah, 6. Yeah, I made mention between 6 and 7 that the stock is ready to go between 6 and 7. Okay, it's like 7 is where it wants to go. Uh, I've been waiting for 6 actually. Okay, let's see what next do we have. What what else do we have? I think Zenith Bank also was very active. Why not? The sector is also active. So Zenith Bank stock on the this is weekly great rejection, and it's moving very fast. Oh, lovely, lovely. So what I'm seeing now is it has overcome one level. That's a resistance level of 16.41. That's really above that, and it's going for another one at 16.71, 16.71 to 17 thereabout. This is good. But in terms of medium to long term, I will be targeting to enter at 15 in case it pull back again, as either this where the liquidity is when it come to 15.25. But for now, so far so good for Zenith Bank. Is just rally above a support level. So let me check this line. If we can overcome, let's say 17 naira. We can overcome 17 naira. That is very short candle. It's a very short candle. If you can overcome 17 naira and retest, we need it to retest and retest. That is a good one. But for medium time, if there's any pullback, I will be targeting 15.25, 15 naira 25 kobo for Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank is looking good. It's looking good. UBA, any positive thing? I guess the sector is positive. First Bank is also looking good. It's looking very good. Looking very good. All the banking stocks are not looking bad at all. Yes. Okay, Sepplats. Alright, that's what we have today. Tomorrow we continue looking at the markets and summarizing all the data coming from the floor. Ladies and gentlemen, today this is the end of the program today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.